Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and here I'm going to teach you how super easy the artificial intelligence tool to build you be an expert in web development. It may be full stack development or web developer or web design. Let's see a simple and easiest procedure I would like to show you in ChatGPT. So let's see here. Go to Google and hit ChatGPT. Hit enter. Yes, optimizing language model for dialogue, OpenAI. ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family large language models. Yes, what is the question you asked? Yes, definitely you will get a solution over here. Why don't you try here? For development to growing software industry skills more than others, how to improve and how to get a solutions in real world. Yes, I'm showing you now for a simple web page landing page design. How? Let's see now. For try ChatGPT, you go to here ChatGPT openai.com and block ChatGPT here. Try ChatGPT, and if you are not logged in and as a new user, yes, using your Google account and Microsoft account to create your free account now. And every day this ChatGPT OpenAI tool is going to be improving more and more. Now let's see here. My query is create a web page landing web page. That's it. Using, if you want more detailed HTML, CSS and more like Bootstrap, JavaScript, if you want you can add it. So let's see. If I ask a query to my ChatGPT, see here it is what happening. To create a landing page using HTML and CSS, you can follow these steps. It is giving a very clear detailed information like HTML head, body, div, these tags we are going to be using. Now let's stop it. Just I want to like create a web page for my website, that is a landing page. Let's see here. Yeah, here an example of a very basic HTML structure it is preparing. See, earlier I have asked the landing page of using HTML and CSS. It is giving you an identify like what the tools and like what the tags are required to create, and here it is creating a landing page itself. What awesome! So very quickly it is creating my website landing page. Moreover, what I'm trying to doing here is I'm going to my favorite like code editor, which is a Sublime text editor. Yes, any one of coding editor you can go and approach that one. And here I'm going to create like test.html as a HTML extension, and I'm going to saving into my desktop this test.html in my Sublime text editor. Yes, come back here. So wow, it's a copyright it is creating and more like a see just example of a sample web page structure it is created. Am I written any line of code? No. So go to top and copy code. That's it. Copy code and paste. Copy code and paste here at HTML page. Save this. Come to here to desktop and HTML test what we have saved. Open with your favorite web browser. Wow. Welcome to my website about service and contact, about my page and services and contact us, and see contact us like a contact form we can create, no name, email. If you want you can make it the customization as your wish. Yes, as your wish you can. And also similarly see here, create a card item using Bootstrap. Using Bootstrap is in a framework for CSS. Let's see, here is an example how to create a card using Bootstrap. So here it will take what the requirements to use to apply Bootstrap card it is showing. How super easy. Let's see here. It is preparing the code. What you need as a developer or a designer or front-end development. What you need more? See, let's take a copy of this code and go to here And I would like to see after the section of what is that, after the section of here I'm taking a paste of this code. Yes, save this and go to your browser and reload the page. Yes, the card item here it is displaying, and come to the ChatGPT area. Yes, now see this, like a bootstrap, whenever we are using, we need to add some link item of external CSS of bootstrap libraries. So let me add this bootstrap library. Yeah, so some common functions of CSS and JS it is going to be adding. So here I am taking CSS only at my head section, inside the head. Save it and now reload the page. Wow, see, this is my card item. This is my card item, something else, and what this is the card item it is added, and copyright of 2022 of my website footer, and the services and the links. What you need to more to learn the things? What do you need to learn more the things? See the JavaScript files, if it is necessary, it is all written. I'm getting like a stop generating. So using by asking a simple question to your AI tool, that is a ChatGPT tool, to get ready to design your n number of websites and even PHP code or HTML, Python, any code what you want. You just try it out for AI tool. I hope it's a super easy lecture, and you will be making master more than others by using and how to use and apply these tools. It's really helpful for you. I think so. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you. Please do subscribe for more video lectures. Thank you.